Today we are going to discuss one of the very important topic, and this topic is also belongs to the mathematics. But as you know that uh, what is the role of eigenvalue in the control system? You know, so eigenvalue decide करता है. What will the eigenvalue decide? Anyone can tell
So
me?
location of poles means stability of system.
Yes. So eigenvalue represents the roots of the characteristic equation of that binomial. And the root of the characteristic equation will state you the system is either stable or not. If the system is not stable, if let's say if the system is not stable, then can we make the system stable? Yes or no? So we have to search the answer of the such type of the question. So therefore you know the eigenvalue becomes very very important. Okay. And another thing I want to say you, another one thing, the diagonalization, the diagonalization, that the matrix, if the matrix is represented in the form of the diagonalization, so you can say that the diagonal element of that matrix represents the eigenvalue. Remember always. Okay. So let's say we have, so how we are going to make the that system into the diagonalized. पहली बात तो ये है कि लेट से हमारे पास कोई ए मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है और हमको उसको डायगोनाइज करना है. डायगोनाइज का फायदा मैंने बताया कि ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है किसको, उसके आइगन वैल्यू को, राइट. सो लेट्स से वी हैव वन एग्जांपल. I am just giving a problem. Let's say for A is a, let's say, matrix, and this matrix is given as a minus 4, minus 6, 3, and 5. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. And another matrix P is defined like this: minus 1, minus 2, 1, and 1. What is P matrix? What is P matrix? I will tell you after some moment. Try to find out P inverse A P. Just try to find out and then see the result. Okay. When you try to find out this P inverse AP with the help of this matrix A and P, with the help of this matrix P and P, okay, you will found that, okay, the P matrix you can find, the P matrix you can, क्या होगा P matrix जरा बताएगा कोई? What will the P matrix?
Sir,
Yes.
eigenvectors की
नहीं
matrix.
नहीं, P matrix होगा क्या? minus 1 plus 2, and this will becomes 1, this will become the minus 1, this will become 2 and minus 1, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it will give
P-
1.
Diagonal
So
matrix
this
of
is this is a
eigenvalues.
1, right? This is the 1. So 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, right? This is a P inverse. Now it is time to find out the P inverse AP. Whenever you find P inverse AP, P inverse means 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. A matrix is a minus 4, minus 6, 3, and 5. And P matrix is minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. What will you get? What you will get? You will get,
Diagonal
whenever you
matrix
multiply the diagonal matrix is a 2, 0, 0, minus 1.
minus one.
It means this you can see that this the diagonal element represent, whenever you find the the root of this characteristic equation, the root of the characteristic equation, you will found that this will be the eigenvalue, nothing else. This is the eigenvalue. Okay. So it means by any type or any, you can say this is a diagonal matrix, right? तो दिस डी. तो हमें क्या करना है कि हमें कुछ ऐसा मैट्रिक्स पी बनाना होगा जिससे हमें कोई डायगोनल मिल जाए. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स इफ यू एबल टू फाइंड आउट, देन इट्स गुड. यस और नो? सो ये डायरेक्टली आपको आइगन वैल्यू विल प्रोवाइड. ओके. सो यू कैन नोट हेयर यू कैन नोट हेयर द मैट्रिक्स डी is equals to P inverse AP. D is equals to P inverse AP, right? Is a diagonal matrix. First of all, this is very important line, right? Second, I want to mention here the diagonal. entries of D. क्या है ये? Represent, please, represents the
eigenvalues.
Eigenvalues.
eigenvalue of क्या? Eigenvalue of
A.
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 Yes, eigenvalue of A matrix. Okay. Okay. In order of corresponding eigenvectors in P. इसका मतलब आप याद रखें कि व्हाट इज P. अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगा P क्या है. P अभी आप कुछ देर के लिए याद रखें कि P व्हाट इज P. P हैवी, कुछ देर के लिए यही है. तो आपको अगर P क्या है, P इज द आइगन वेक्टर. P मैट्रिक्स जो मैंने फाइंड आउट किया है, दिस इज द आइगन वेक्टर. रिमेंबर, दिस इज द आइगन वेक्टर. आइगन वेक्टर corresponding to which? corresponding to this आइगन वैल्यू. आपको पता है ना आइगन वेक्टर कैसे निकलता है? आइगन वेक्टर वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ आइगन वैल्यू. एंड आइगन वैल्यू किसका? ए मैट्रिक्स का. तो अल्टीमेटली आइगन वेक्टर किसका? ए मैट्रिक्स का, corresponding to these आइगन वैल्यूज, right? So what is P matrix? So if you are able to find out the eigen vector, remember A, अगर आपको diagonal matrix आपको बनाना है, let's say if you have to define the diagonal matrix, then it means you have to find out the eigenvector, the eigenvector of inverse, and that you have to multiply with like this. So D is equals to P inverse AP, you will got the diagonal matrix with the help of this A. Okay, समझ में आ गया? Yes or no? Is the voice audible to all of you? Please let me confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so it means I've already told you this is the P matrix. P matrix है क्या? What is P matrix? P matrix is -1, -2, 1 and 1. So this is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue of matrix A. So each column, this column represents the eigenvector of corresponding to first eigenvalues, and second eigenvector corresponding to second eigenvalues, right? So you can say that the column of matrix P are क्या हो रहा है भाई? are eigenvector for A, right? For A, right? So अब अगर आपसे पूछा जाए, let's say we are going to ask for a square matrix A, the process of creating such a matrix D using the concept of eigenvector matrix P, इसको क्या कहेंगे बेटा? is called, क्या कहेंगे? Diagonalization. We can say that diagonalization of A matrix. We can simply say that. Yes or no? So it means D matrix, D is nothing but the P inverse AP. P inverse AP. Okay. So you can also write with the help of this matrix, A. A matrix क्या हो जाएगा? Please tell me what will be the A matrix? What will be the A matrix? Please the student confirm. Let me know.
PDP inverse.
PDP inverse.
P, yes, P D P inverse. Very good. P D P inverse. ठीक है? ओके. अगर मैं इसको कुछ इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करूं, let's say I have taken the power of A, you have taken the exponent A to the power K, then what we will got? we will got P D P inverse to the power K, right? To the power K. It means this is the P D P inverse multiplied by the P D P inverse up to the K time P D P inverse. P D P inverse, right? This is the K time. Okay. So जरा ध्यान से प्लीज सी केयरफुली. अरे क्या हो गया सब. Okay, so this is the P D इन दोनों को और P इनवर्स प्लीज सी P इनवर्स इनटू P inverse into P we are writing simultaneously P inverse and P, and then again D, and then again P inverse P, and so on P inverse P into D P inverse. It will be, we can write like this, yes or no? We can write like this.
Yes,
So
sir.
if we can write like this, so it becomes P, or this is P inverse P, P inverse P, P inverse P. What it mean? It means this is I. P
Yes,
inverse
sir.
P, we can write as I. Yes or no? So this is a P D D, this D like this D up to the D P inverse. So how many times D will repeat? Can you tell me? P, this is a K time. So this D to the power K P inverse. P D to the power K P inverse. Yes or no? It means you can write like this now. This P D power P D to the power K P inverse okay equal to this is the P D to the power K. What is D matrix? What is D matrix? Please tell me, what is the D matrix?
Diagonal matrix.
Diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix? The element of the diagonal matrix is present to what?
Eigenvalue.
Eigenvalues.
Eigenvalue. So
Eigenvalue.
simply you can write that this is a lambda 1, 0,
Lambda 1 to the
0,
power k.
lambda 2. If it is a 2 by 2 matrix, if I am taking the 2 by 2 matrix and to the power K P inverse, if I am not wrong, you can write like this. Yes or no? So P lambda 1 to the power K 0, 0, lambda 2 to the power K into P inverse. So therefore you can write here. Therefore, once we have determined the eigenvalues and eigenvector of A, we can simply take each eigenvector है ना, eigenvector को define कर दें, eigenvector to the kth power, then put the results in diagonal matrix and multiply once by किससे multiply किया हमने? P on left side and P inverse on the right. So it is very easy है ना, हम लोग diagonal matrix को find करना इससे बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. अब प्रॉब्लम है हमारे पास कुछ नया. यहां तक क्लियर है? Okay, now we are going to discuss, it is the diagonalization, simple, it's the diagonalization we have discussed the diagonalization.